What's up everybody, Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I have the last piece of the puzzle. I was on Instagram, I saw Straight 6 Auto Parts. So he had a BMS intake for sale for the M55. I naturally wanted it. I was gonna pay full price. We had it up for $150, hit him up, sent him the money. In about 2 days, it was at my house ready. So here it is. So we're gonna open it up, check it out. It is used. The cone filter is used, so it's a little wrinkly. I don't like that. I'm just gonna buy another one, but for the most part, I have what I need. So that should be the last piece of the puzzle because I have intake now. Charge pipe is in, maintenance is done, intercooler is done, downpipe is done. I don't really need the exhaust, however, would be nice, but not necessary. So everything's in place. After this is in, then I can run MHD +2 on it, and then we'll see where we're at. So here it is, the Burger Motorsports intake for the N55 for the E-Series, or the E90. It's a lot flatter than what I thought, right? I was expecting a bigger tube, but that's kind of cool. This is what I'm talking about. This is all wrinkly, but should be okay. This one in particular came with the MAP sensor. I'm not going to use it, but I have an extra one. They're expensive. The, what's this called? Like this attachment part?
Connection hose?
Yeah, connection hose. Yeah, we'll go with that. It comes with the screw here. This screw apparently attaches to the airbox because you're only taking the top of the airbox off. So I'm going to pop the hood, put this bad boy in. Step one, remove the cover. Apparently I'm missing some bushings on this. Oh, I think I broke it. No, we're good. Yeah, I'm missing some bushings here to keep this cover a little tighter. Also, I broke this.
Nice.
So we're gonna loosen this, which is a flathead. Okay, that should be good. We're gonna undo these clips.
How many times have you done this?
I've done this part like 5 times in the past couple, in like 2 weeks for everything in here. So we're gonna lift this. Now the MAP sensor is still connected. That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna move it this way. I'm going to remove this MAP sensor because I'm going to reuse it.
That stays there? Yo, where is that from?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight. Very handy.
Okay, so I don't have my screwdriver, so I'm going to use this. So it's a T25. Surprisingly loose. I know a lot of people don't like disconnecting this MAP because they throw codes, but we're gonna do it anyways. So gently, bam, right there. I'm gonna place it right there.
For all the noobs out there, what does an intake do?
So every car has an intake. That's how the engine brings in air from the outside to the engine. So most intakes are stock intakes. Stock intakes are pretty restrictive. This one's not so bad, but if you notice, so this is the filter of the intake. This is the filter of the OEM intake. So the air comes through here, through the scoops, through the grills, through the scoops, into here, up through the filter, and into the engine. So we're gonna replace this filter, right? So that's gonna lay there. They're still gonna be pulled in from the outside. However, it's a lot freer. There's no box around it, which some might say that it's absorbing a lot of hot air, which is technically true, but it's freer. A little tune, we got a nice sound, definitely, and a little bit more power. So I'm gonna take this MAP sensor out. I'm gonna remove this guy. I'm wondering if I should use this one, just because it's kind of accustomed to or used to this intake box. But we'll see. If anything, I'll have a backup. So I was gonna replace this. This is super dirty, but now I gotta replace this. Okay, so I know this looks a little ghetto, but it didn't come with the adapter, so I used 2 zip ties, and that was to stop it from, shaking all over the place. This is secure now. I'm gonna contact Burger Motorsports for an adapter when I order one of these. For now, that should work. Put the cover back on. Now it's pretty again. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna start the car. I like it. I mean, you heard it, right? It's definitely louder. I'm gonna take it out on a spin. See what it sounds like from inside the cabin. I mean, it's louder in here in the garage, but I'm not crazy about how it looks, but I guess that's not important. But I'm gonna replace this filter. I hate that this is open. I gotta vacuum the inside of here. Gotta get the adapter. And then, you know, just clean inside the engine, and it looks like I have a small leak here. Might be coming from this. So that's gonna have to be looked at. So much to do. But all the necessary components are in place. Maintenance is done. Spark plugs, coils, charge pipe. Then I got the intake, intercooler, downpipe. Next comes exhaust, just for sound. However, I can now tune it, stage 2 plus, see what that does. Shouldn't be noticeably different. All good. Car's been driving good, it pulls hard. It sounds like all the components are adding up. Suspension's next. I ordered some interior pieces just to clean up the inside. So once that's in, then we're looking good. We're looking nice and fresh. Then perhaps we upgrade the seats and the wheels. And then yeah, we'll be looking really good. But I think that does it for this video. Do me a favor, hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. I'll put some pictures of the install. For this video, if you can click on the like if you like the video, subscribe, throw some comments below. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Okay, so for this video, oh, actually, I have to say my name, right?
I feel like now you don't, but it's like your thing, so yeah.
Okay, true. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back.
Sure.
What's up, guys? Sam Acevedo here. If you're new to the channel,
You messed up.
I messed up already.
This is an intro. This shouldn't be hard.
Wow. You do it. You do it.
Go.
Go ahead.
If you don't know,
You do.
this is my channel.